In today's video, I'll show you how to install Trainer in Mafia 2 Definitive Edition to turn on cheats like infinite health, infinite ammo. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down, enter file, select the latest version. Once download done, select the folder icon, double click on the Trainer exe, select the yes option and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and press Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. Infinite health, infinite ammo, no reload, super accuracy, no recall, one hit kill. Once you turn on the cheats you like to use, get back to the game. I show you guys it's working. Super accuracy, infinite ammo, everything is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.